Welcome to Fishbone Offroad's instructions on how to remove Toyota's 2005 to 2015 Tacoma factory rear bumper and hitch. Step 1. With a 12mm socket, remove the two bolts retaining your trailer connector. With a Phillips screwdriver, remove the retaining bolts from each license plate light. Gently rotate the light case counterclockwise and remove it. And push the bulb through the bumper. Next, with a screwdriver, gently pry up and remove the shown caps, revealing two bolts. Step 2. With a 19mm socket and wrench, remove the two bolts from the bumper step. Step 3. With a 17mm socket, remove the two rearmost bolts from both the driver and passenger side. With the help of a friend, remove the bumper and set it down in a safe area. Step 4. If you wish to remove your hitch, begin by removing the wiring harness from it with a body clip remover tool. With a 17mm socket, remove the 5 remaining bolts from each side. The hitch is retained by a slotted cutout. In order to remove it, you will have to lift it straight up, followed by pulling it outwards. This concludes the removal of the Tacoma rear bumper and hitch. Please like this video and subscribe to us for more tutorials like this.